Right, let's do a lift here at Springwood Busway station. It's Schindler, DEVE Schindler hydraulics.
Station car parks and kiss and ride. Going up.
You can never hear the motor on these because the motor room's all the way over there, but whatever.
Upper footbridge level.
This is lift number 2. There's a roof hatch open. All the, I don't know why that's open.
Platforms 1 and 2. Station car parks and kiss and ride.
Let's see where the Schindler plate would have been before. Still 2001, 1350 kilograms, 18 persons. We'll do both of them in one video because why not?
Upper footbridge level.
Alright. Second one. The buttons feel very low down on this. Oh, that's open as well. That's fine. This one feels faster for me. More efficient. Slightly more efficient. No voice or music though. Actually, use the motor a bit this one. That's the motor in there. No, this one's definitely faster. Wow, that's efficient. Let's do 2 rides in this because they're about the same, aren't they?